In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an animated presentation in Canva, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Animated presentations are a powerful way to make your slides more engaging, more professional, and more memorable, whether you're creating content for school, work, business pitches, or social media. The best part is that Canva makes this incredibly easy, and you don't need any design or animation experience at all. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Canva tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Once you're on the Canva homepage, log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. After logging in, you'll land on the Canva home screen, where you can see all your recent designs, templates, and projects. From here, look through your designs and click on the presentation you want to animate. This could be an existing presentation you've already created, or you can start a brand new one using one of Canva's presentation templates. Once your presentation opens, you'll see all your slides displayed on the left-hand side. Now, select the specific page or slide that you want to animate by clicking on it. This is important because animations in Canva can be applied either to individual pages or across the entire presentation. With the page selected, move your attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll see a button labeled Animate. Go ahead and click on Animate. When you do this, Canva will open the animation panel, showing you a variety of animation styles that you can apply to your slide. Take your time here and scroll through the available animations. Canva offers smooth, professional animations, as well as more dynamic and playful ones, depending on the style you're going for. Click on any animation to preview it instantly on your slide. Once you've chosen an animation you like, you can further customize how it behaves. Canva allows you to decide when the animation happens. You can choose for the animation to play on enter, on exit, or both. This means you can control whether elements animate when the slide appears, when it disappears, or during both moments. This gives your presentation a polished and dynamic feel. In addition to page-specific animations, Canva also provides general animations that can be applied across your presentation. If you want consistency throughout your slides, look for the option to apply the animation to all pages. When you select this, Canva will automatically apply the same animation style to every slide in your presentation. This saves a lot of time and ensures your presentation feels cohesive and professional. After applying the animations, you can preview your entire presentation by clicking the play button. This lets you see how the animations flow from slide to slide and make any adjustments if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created an animated presentation in Canva. It's quick, simple, and incredibly effective for making your presentation stand out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.